How are y'all doing today? We're all doing sick and amazing. Yeah. Today we're checking out Bitterwood. Song is White Noise featuring Final Words, official music video. Now this is on Slam Worldwide, like the previous two songs that I have reacted to as well. So go check that out as well. I think I'll put it in the description. But yeah, these guys has some heavy hitters, got some like many genre mixes. I think hardcore with some deathcore, slam. Hardcore and slam, I want to say. But yeah, this just came out today as I'm recording this, April 15th, so I think we should just get right into it. Let's do it, Bitterwood. What's going on? I know you're watching this. Keep up the great work. Let's do it. 2 minutes long. 3, 2, 1, go. Slam Worldwide. Come on.
12 feet underground.
Guitar Hero.
Zoom in your tomb. My name lies on your grave. I will see you soon.
Oh, that riff. I will see you soon. Ooh. Man, okay.
Trust.
Love the guitars, man. That's nice. Slow, round, and easy. Ooh. Something. Ooh. That bass, man.
Forget me.
Skyrim.
You're finally awake.
Why would you do that to me, man? Oh, Bitterwood, White Noise. Oh, that was sick. Love the riffs in that one. The riffs were sick. Love that. And the video as well. The video's fun. The Guitar Hero. There's many other nostalgia things that I didn't really notice, but the Skyrim reference at the end was a perfect 10 out of 10. Vocals, of course, got that nice hardcore vibe to that. The riffs were just fun. Man. Yeah. I enjoyed this one. I did enjoy this one. I don't know ranking wise. I believe the last one, Withdraw, Paradigm, and White Noise are the latest releases. I think I enjoyed Withdraw the most, and then probably this one's second. Paradigm's just last, but still, like, Paradigm slaps. So all three of them are amazing. Yeah, that was cool. Love that grooviness to that. Very two-steppy. Yeah. Go check these guys out. Got some sick material. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. Links to my socials and the music in the background will be in that description. And I will see you all later. Have a good day.